Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can keep Talli alive while killing Isobel, which results in everyone at the last light in dying. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you're going to need to be able to essentially kidnap her, to then escort her to a safer location. And to do so, you're going to need to have a strength of at least 20. And one really easy way to do that is to drink an elixir of Hill Giant Strength. So I've got one, and it sets my strength to 21. So let's drink that. And now my strength is 21. The next step is, we're going to need to use the improvised melee weapon. So I'm going to click on it, and then I click on Talli. And now what I need to do is I need to move the camera. And the further away you can go, the better, because it gives you more time to react. And what we're going to do is, we're going to make our character move to, well, here, while carrying Talli. But while our player is moving to this location, we're going to open up the map and teleport to another location. Now, make sure, since we're in the Shadowlands, to teleport to a location where she's not just going to die to the Shadow Curse, because then that defeats the whole purpose of saving her. But basically, I'm now going to confirm by left clicking, and after I do that, I'm going to quickly open up the map and teleport to the Moonrise Tower waypoint. You have to be somewhat quick with this, because if you do it after you drop the character, you're not going to be teleporting them with you. But as you can see, I got Talli here successfully, so now I'm going to talk to her. And I can currently still trade with her, which is great. Now, the next step is, you need to now go back to the last light in and kill Isobel. And once you kill Isobel, you're then going to have to kill a bunch of other people at the last light in. So, we have successfully gotten the last light in destroyed. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the map, and we're going to go to Moonrise Towers, to the teleport point where I dropped off Talli before, and as you can see, she is still here. However, if I talk to her, nothing happens. You can see a conversation tries to load, but then it doesn't. But don't worry, there's a way around this. Kind of. You need to go to your passives and turn on toggle non-lethal attacks to make sure you're doing non-lethal attacks, and then you want to attack her. And you want to knock her out. And we have successfully knocked her out, and she's on 1 HP. Now, if you want to, you could loot her, but we kind of don't want to do that. What we want to now do is we want to do a long rest. So we're going to go to our camp and long rest. So we're going to go to bed and have a good night's sleep. Oh, and someone's congratulating me on destroying the last light in. Let's just skip all of that. After that, we can then leave the camp. And Talli is still there, and she's back up at full health. Now, let's talk to her. Look, we can now initiate dialogue. And we can now trade with her if we want to. However, there is something you need to keep in mind. Her attitude is at -45. It's in the red. And we can trade with her. And that's awesome. However, if we were to get this attitude up to the orange or beyond, a problem occurs. So I'm going to just be really generous and donate a bunch of items to her. And it'll be like, donate these items. If we do that, look what happens. Okay, she's in the orange now. And now we can't talk to her, which is problematic. However, if you want to fix this, you can then knock her out again and repeat the process. So let's do that. So we've knocked her out again, and we're going to long rest. And we're going to go to bed. Going to wake up and leave the camp. And Talli's back, so we're going to talk to her again. And she's not fond of us. So don't give her gifts, and instead ask for a fair value for the items you are selling with her. So I'm going to sell this, so I'm going to then click on balance offer. I'll click barter. Her attitude won't increase, so I can exit. And if I talk to her again, I'll get the dialogue that she's not fond of me. And this is the only way you can continue to trade with her after the last light-in has fallen, which makes sense considering she is actually meant to be dead. Anyway, thanks for watching this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll be doing the tutorial soon on how you can get the Grove raided while keeping Halsin, Minthara and Will. So if that interests you, subscribe.